Yo, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version of Evony on your phone. No jailbreak computer needed. This is super insane. So keep watching the video, guys, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get this crazy modded version of Evony without jailbreaking or a computer, guys. So it's super insane. This actually works, guys. As you can see, I got unlimited resources, so be sure to go and try this out for yourself. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So let's get right into the video, guys. This actually works, and it is super insane. So as you can see, I'm super rich in Evony, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this crazy modded version. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this website, Zoo Mods. There's a ton of modded apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's Zoo Mods, so let me just go ahead and type that in. Alright, so once you're on this site, guys, what you want to do is go to the search bar, and we're just going to go ahead and type in Evony, and it should come right up. So let me just do that right here. So as you can see, it pops right up, and then we can download this crazy modded version. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. And if we go to the App Store and type in Evony, as you guys can see, look how expensive the game is, bro. It ain't even worth talking about. So as you can see, guys, it is super expensive. So instead, guys, you should just download the modded version, which is at Zoo Mods, and it is super crazy, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. It's totally updated as well, so that's awesome. So yeah, guys, if this video does work for you guys, I want you guys to go ahead and share it with all of your friends that play Evony, guys. I mean, this is crazy, bro. Look at that. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super awesome, guys, and it actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. But yeah, this is super crazy, guys. No jailbreak computer needed. So yeah, pretty awesome stuff. Look at that. So hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super insane, guys, and it totally is updated. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. This is super awesome, guys. You know how it is with Evony, the modded version, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. It totally works. So I'm going to see you guys in a future video. And peace out, gang.